What's going on, guys? These are the RCI Off Road bumper reinforcement brackets. Super solid. So you get one for each side, and then on top of that you get all this beefy hardware. I mean, look at that stuff. So it's pretty neat and how all this goes, and it'll go onto my Gunnison bumper to reinforce the mounting locations. All right, and then hardware wise, just want to make sure you have 4 of everything. So you've got 4 of these washers, and these washers, you've got 4 bolts, 4 nuts, to make sure you do the install. Nice thing is, to install this, you really only need a couple of simple tools. So I'm using a 1/2-inch drive ratchet. I've got a 9/16 and also a 3/4 inch sockets, and then a 3/4 inch wrench. That's really all you need, you know, at least because since I already have the Gunnison bumper installed, I just need to remove a couple of things and then add this on. So should be fairly easy. All right, so you've already got the bumper installed. Like I said, it's fairly easy. You got these 2 OEM mounting locations. These will be taken off with the 9/16, and then with the RCI Gunnison bumper, you have the hex head here with the nut in the back, and really with that you're just going to use a 3/4 inch, take those off, and then I just have to remove this plastic cap there. So with the way this bracket is, essentially you want this tab on the bottom. So this is the driver's side. You basically just slide this on like that, and then you start by attaching the OEM nuts here, and then you do the hex screws and bolts through these 2 holes. Make sure it's all lined up, and then you tighten everything together. Let's see how it comes out. All right, when you're putting on these hex bolts, you want to start with these washers first in there, and then the other washers, the larger ones, those go on the other side. Now that it's all installed, super solid. So this is where the bumper is down here. This is where the actual bracket is. So you've got the 2 OEM mounting locations. You've got the 2 hex bolts, one there, one up there, and then the other large hex bolt that goes through the bumper, mounting to the frame. Overall, super solid. It's good to have this reinforcements, especially since in the future I'll probably be running a winch and whatnot. So yeah, show you guys doing the other side, and we'll be done.